Hey guys, I hope you're doing extremely well. So we have came across with the next nutshell. I hope you guys all like it. So today we will talk about
DreamWorks Kung Fu Panda.
so let's get started. Kung Fu Panda is a 2008 American computer animated comedy film produced by DreamWorks Animation and distributed by Paramount Pictures. It was directed by John Stevenson on his directorial debut with Mark Osborne and stars the voices of Jack Black, Dustin Hoffman, Angelina Jolie, Ian McShane, Seth Rogen, Lucy Liu, David Cross, Randall Duquesne, James Hong, Dan Fogler, Michael Clark Duncan, and Jackie Chan. Kung Fu Panda premiered in the United States on June 6, 2008. The film received positive reviews upon release. Kung Fu Panda opened in 4,114 theaters, grossing over $20.3 million on its opening day and $60.2 million on its opening weekend, resulting in the number 1 position at the box office. The film became DreamWorks' biggest opening for a non-sequel film, the highest animated film of the year worldwide, and also at the 4th largest opening weekend for a DreamWorks film at the American and the Canadian box office, behind all these Shrek movies. A sequel, Kung Fu Panda 2, was released on May 26, 2011 along with the television series Kung Fu Panda Legend of Awesomeness, premiering on Nickelodeon later the same year as a part of the franchise. The second sequel, Kung Fu Panda 3, was released on January 29, 2016. In the Valley of Peace, a land in ancient China inhabited by anthropomorphic animals. Po, the giant panda, is a kung fu fanatic who idolized the Furious Five: tigress, monkey, crane, viper, and mantis. A quintet of awesome kung fu masters trained by Master Sifu, the red panda. However, Po is unable to pursue his dream of learning Kung Fu as he helps his adoptive father, Mr. Ping the Goose, in his noodle restaurant. Grandmaster Oogway, Shifu's mentor and a friend, has a vision that Shifu's former student and adoptive son, the evil snow leopard, Tai Lung, will escape from prison and return to the valley to exact his revenge for being denied the Dragon Scroll, which is said to hold the secret of boundless power. Panicked Shifu sent his messenger Zheng with a request for the prison to tighten its security. Then he holds a tournament for the Furious Five so that Oogway can identify the Dragon Warrior, the one Kung Fu master worthy of receiving the Dragon Scroll. Po arrives too late to enter the arena. Desperate to see the Dragon's Warrior, Po straps himself to a set of fireworks and launches himself into the middle of the arena in front of Oogway as he points towards the Dragon Warrior. Unwilling to accept Oogway's decision and believing it to be an accident, Shifu tries to dispose of Po with a harsh training mode. The Furious Five claims Po as an enthusiast with no potential in martial arts. Po considers resigning, but after receiving encouragement from Oogway, he endures his training and gradually befriends with Five with his durability, resilience, culinary skill, and good humor. One night, when Po talks about Shifu's treatment towards him, Tigress tells the story of how Shifu raised Tai Lung since finding him as a cub and trained him in Kung Fu. After Tai Lung was denied the Dragon Scroll, he went on a rampage across the valley and tried to make the scroll by force, with Shifu unable to fight with his adopted son. Though Oogway is able to stop him, Tai Lung's betrayal caused Shifu to become cold and distant. Meanwhile, Tai Lung escapes from prison, ironically picking his locks with Jen's fallen feather. Shifu horrifyingly learns of Tai Lung's escape from Jen and informs Oogway, who extracts a promise from Shifu to believe in Po, and then passes on to the heavens in a stream of peach blossoms. Still unable to grasp the basics of Kung Fu, Po despairingly admits that he has no chance of defeating Tai Lung. Overhearing this, the five leave to stop Tai Lung themselves. However, Shifu discovers that Po is capable of impressive physical feats when motivated by food. Using food as a positive reinforcement, Shifu successfully trains Po by incorporating these feats into an innovative Kung Fu style. Meanwhile, the five battle with Tai Lung, but are defeated by his nerve attacks. He spares Crane to transport the rest of the five, still paralyzed from his nerve strikes, back to Shifu as a warning. After reviving them, Shifu decides that Po is ready to receive the Dragon Scroll, but the scroll reveals nothing but a blank, reflective surface. Believing the scroll to be useless, Shifu orders Po and the five to evacuate the valley while he faces Tai Lung. A distraught Po finds Mr. Ping. In an attempt to console his son, Mr. Ping reveals that the secret ingredient to his famous secret ingredient noodle soup is nothing, explaining that things are special when you believe it. Po realizes that this is the message of the Dragon Scroll, goes back to confront Tai Lung. Po arrives to find Shifu badly injured and defeated. He then becomes a formidable challenge for Tai Lung, frustrating him with confusing fighting techniques on top of his excessive body fat that renders him with an incredible ability to absorb damage and immunity to Tai Lung's nerve strikes. Tai Lung momentarily beats Po and retrieves the scroll. But, he is unable to understand it and continues attacking Po. Eventually, Po defeats Tai Lung in combat by using the mysterious waxy finger hold to vanquish him. Po is praised by the Valley of Peace and earns the respect of the Furious Five, who fully acknowledge him as a true Kung Fu Panda master, while Shifu finally attains peace. That's all, folks. How you like the Kung Fu Panda movie? Well, there are two parts more. Do you want it? Please comment down below, and please leave a like and share this video, and please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet already subscribed. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update from our channel. Till then, stay tuned, stay at home. I will catch you with the next one.